Hi everybody, it's Joe from Lillies, where we celebrate water in the garden. Today we're going to cover how to plant an annual water lily that you ordered from us online. When you get your package, you're going to be super excited. But if you can't plant it in the next day or so, don't worry too much. Just keep the plant in a cool, dark place. When you do open your package, you're going to find a card from our family to yours. This card's going to say thank you, and I do thank you for purchasing from Lillies. It's going to give you an email address that comes directly to me. So if you end up with any questions or concerns, you got my info. On the other side, you're going to learn a little bit about Lillies, our family operation, and how we appreciate you for shopping small. The next thing you'll find in your package when you open it are going to be detailed instructions how to plant your annual water lily. Well, let's get started with the video. When you order an annual water lily and a perennial water lily, you'll notice big differences. The root structure is completely different on a perennial. It grows a large pineapple type structure for storage. An annual lily generally has no storage unit attached. You'll just have some bare roots, some leaves, perhaps a flower bud or two. When we chose this plant for you at Lillies, we chose the very best one we had available. We've got a holeless container. This one happens to be 10 inches. I think that's going to fill out nicely. The larger the container, the larger this lily will grow. So I could plant this in a 10-inch container. It's going to spread about 2 or 3 feet. I could plant the exact same lily in a 16-inch container. That lily's going to get 4 or 5 feet across. So you're going to control the size of the plant by the size of the container. The best soil that you can choose is Lillies Aquatic Gold soil. Why is it the best? It's specifically formulated for aquatic plants to promote healthy roots and lots of flowers. I'm going to layer some soil in the bottom, spread out the roots when that soil's about half full, and then I'm going to add more soil to fill it all the way up to the crown. The crown is that spot where the leaves and the roots meet. So right there is that special sweet spot that we're trying to get that soil level to finish out at. The last step that we're going to add is some fertilizer. At Lillies, we produce our own fertilizer that specifically enhances the growth of water lilies and lotus and any of the shallow water plants, but it does not cause harm to the fish and it does not promote algae. Look how easy that was. Now you're an annual water lily planting expert. If you do end up with questions, don't forget you can grab that card, email us directly, and we'll help you through any problems you might have. I do thank you for watching. Check us out at lillies.com, Facebook, or Instagram.